off our front. A lot of work on this, but we want to save this hood. GTO hoods are harder to come by. Just raised scoop on them. They do make a repop hood, but we all know how those are. So alright, there you have it. I'll bring you back when we make more progress on this. Get the bottom side welded in and ground down. Try to do as much of this all metal as we can, especially on these edges. You don't want to just bond up the edges, especially on a piece like a hood that comes down. There you have it. Bring you back. Alright, back on this hood. See our gap line across here. Peak. And our gap line down here. We got it where we want her. There's a little finesse here now. A little bit of a low spot right here. I've got it marked. A couple little places like this where we got to just put a glaze in. Just a little bit of filler on here. See now what I mean? Got to fit real nice. When the edge lines aren't there, you have to make them. Sometimes these parts don't fit when they're mix and match. Alright, bring it back when we make more progress. Alright, some more work done on the GTO front end. Pretty good across here now. Ready for the final sand in a couple of these spots. Like I said, this is just a very thin layer of filler on here. No filler doesn't mount anything. It's all 1/16 or less. Just enough to smooth everything in. Get what we want with that. See what I mean as I go across here. Very nice. So, there you have the front end. It's all done except for just some final finessing it. We'll bring you back when we make more progress. Alright, we'll give you a little look up here. Again, a little more finesse sanding. Show you what I'm using here on this. Just a soft foam block on 50 grit. Just a regular dry paper. No big deal. Cheap to buy. Right, other stuff. Does all this roughing in real nice. I've talked about this before, but I like to use this paper for the Bondo. Your fillers are just a little tacky yet. Cut them down quick. You can see how it balls up. That's okay. That's what it's supposed to do. That's sandpaper well used. Speed up your time in your process here. All right, bring you back when we continue this.